couple final notes that I wanted to mention. Earlier in the video when I was talking about, and we were taking apart the PTU and talking about the wires that were connected to the PTU harness, and one of those wires is a ground wire. Now, I talked then that I would use that to connect my coils to and ground them out from there. However, although that may be an option, I didn't go that route actually. Where we had took off the coil pack, there's a nice bolt here that works as a perfect ground that you can utilize instead. It was easy for me to get that and attach as many of the coils as I'd like to there. A lot easier than I would to the ground wire coming off of the PTU. Another note that I would say I think was probably a good suggestion is when you're doing this the first time through and you're wiring these wires, and some of them are very short, especially down by that PTU and the coil pack's wiring harness, I would just strip the wires and just kind of twist them together, a little electrical tape, cover it up, as you're making sure that everything runs. That way, if you got anything wrong, it's very easy to undo those things and make the necessary corrections. Once everything's up and running, then you can make more permanent connections between the wires and kind of cover everything up and keep it nice and safe. Okay.